Next, we're going to move along to Sarah Davidson. And Sarah's doing unbelievable things in stress management with Resility Health.
Resility Health, that's right.
That's a tongue twister. I got you.
Yeah.
Resility Health.
Yeah. Resility is related to resilience, right? Which we consider our superpower, because if you are able to handle whatever kind of stressors that life throws at you, you can't control that, but you can control how you respond. And so when we help people unlock their power of resilience, we really just help them to be happier and healthier as a result.
How are you doing that?
Yeah, so with Resility, I think there's a lot more recognition now that stress management is as important as diet or exercise when we look at our health and well-being. Mm-hmm. And so we really can't make a difference on, especially a lot of these chronic conditions, unless we're addressing the stress, because the stress really contributes to the health outcomes that people are going to experience. And so we take the approach very much like a fitness program. Mm-hmm. So we start out by assessing where you are. All of our programs are mobile based. And so we assess your starting point. We help recommend exercises that we know are most likely to help you and to work for you. And then we continue to adapt that program. At the same time, we use biofeedback so that you are able to see how your body is responding to the exercises, which really helps us to be much more effective and drive more engagement and adherence. We have health coaches that work on behavior modification and engagement, and so they will help you with the most important part, which is how do you take these skills that you're learning and then make that a lifestyle change, just like diet or fitness would be.
So there's a lot of data getting collected about an individual. So
Yeah.
You're making very scientific informed decisions. It's not just, oh, you have
Right.
stress, take this breathing exercise.
Correct.
And hope you feel better.
That's right.
You're actually seeing the results based on what the person is doing.
Exactly. And so as we learn about an individual, our starting point was really all of the published data and evidence-based studies that were done. Mm-hmm. That help us understand what helps people. Mm-hmm. But then through our own proprietary algorithm, we are able to take that information, and as people go through the program, we can continue to optimize it.
So with the mobile device, is there also a wearable device, or are you relying on the phone data?
Yeah, so we do both. So we have a wearable sensor that measures your muscle tension, and we really have found that biofeedback element has been a huge aha moment for our users, because they're able to actually see, like I was when I first did biofeedback, that I can have a thought and it's going to affect how my body responds. And just thinking about something stressful, I've seen it make my heart rate go up 10 beats a minute, which is a big wake-up call. And so helping to get people that awareness of how that stress is affecting their body, and then that realization that they can affect some change there is really valuable.
And how are the teens, because I know you're so focused also on the teen movement, how is that?
Yeah, so we discovered that our program worked really well for teenagers because a friend's son was struggling with stress-related digestive problems, and we were just so amazed. I mean, his mother was really amazed within a couple of weeks that he had responded so well. And I've known all along that biofeedback works so well for kids and younger people, because they're able to actually gamify it a little bit and make it fun. And so we've known that, but we started selling to employers. We had done some pilots and started selling to employers. But I think we've really found our true calling, because the more we talk to parents and pediatricians and teachers, I know you were a teacher,
Yeah.
we realize that this is a huge problem and there's not good solutions right now.
Well, they become our future employees, so you're getting them super early.
Absolutely.
Thank
yeah.
you, Sarah. We could be
Thank you.
sisters. We kind of got the same look vibe going
Yeah,
on.
Exactly.
Thank you for
I love all the
you're
work
doing.
you're doing too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have fun.